Another cold one today, -3. Today is Lino Day, so come along and enjoy the ride. And just like that, we have a floor. Look at the transformation in just a couple of days of putting the floor down. Take you through into the bedroom. Let me know what you think, guys. It's actually, the time I'm filming this, it is the 1st of January, so Happy New Year to everybody. I hope everyone has a great year. Normally I'll be waking up with a hangover on the 1st of January, but obviously I've only got one more month left to get this house finished, hence why I'm working on the 1st of January, but and every single weekend to just try and get it done. So let me know if you guys think I've made good progress. Let me take you through to outside. Do you remember on the last video we were still digging, but there's the base layer for the foundations. It's about -7 degrees at the minute. I mean, you can see, like, look how thick that ice is, you know. So yeah, so we're going to hopefully try and concrete as soon as it goes above 0, because it's a bit too cold at the minute. But anyway, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah, hope you're enjoying the journey so far. 1 month left, pressure's on, kitchen, bathroom, electrics to finish off, but we will get it done because we never quit. Peace.